Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Trader Indicators. 30th of March, around 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and possible areas of consolidation. Looks like last night we opened up somewhere around the 2048.50 area, somewhere right in here. And obviously we had overnight highs right here at 2061.50, and we had overnight lows. Looks like somewhere around 2046. What you got here? Looks like 2046.75 down in here initially, right there. So it actually happened right back here at the open. Anyway, we're looking for a good day. We should get some good movement after yesterday's announcement with Yellen. So you can see though the market's just consolidated overnight up until around 2 o'clock this morning, and then just took off right up to our next zone, the zone of 2059.25 up to 2061.50. Now, historically, this 2060 area has been a major support resistance line, so there's going to be a battle on here to decide who's going where, and who's going to win. So let's take a look for the day. We've already transitioned up across two major pivots, and like I said, we pulled back here. We're right at some pullback support. So if we could get a good bounce right off in here and go through this and clear this double top here at 2061, we're looking to move up to our next targets. Our next targets will be the 2072 area. Again, this 2072 area, 2025, is going to be a tough area to get through. You need to be cautious with it. So coming off this bounce, if you're aggressive right now, it's time to go long and look for this target up here around the 2072 area. If you want to be a little more conservative, wait for it to close just above the 62 level or right at the 62 level, and then go long, and we should still take target there at the 2072 area. It'll probably trade through just a little bit to the 2075 area, let it pull back and reset down into this 22 area, maybe 2070 area, depending where this white line, this 24 VWAP catches up to it. Look for a bounce off of this if we're up today, for the next target range of 2080 to 2082, followed by just a short pullback, maybe some consolidation in this area. And then if the market is really strong and the bulls have taken control, next target is on up to the 2090 area today, 2090 to 2092. Not likely targets, but we could move up into the 2096, 2098 area. So once it gets up into this area, be cautious, especially the 2080, 2070 areas. Look for some big resistance up here by the sellers as they'll step in and try to push this market right back down. Now, should they do so and we get a retest of this consolidation area right through here from the 61 to the 57.75 area, look for a lot more consolidation in this area, but look for them to try to fight this out and then blow right below the support of 57, right back into this low double red zone here. Now this is going to be a real strong area, and then followed by a zone of 51 down to 48.75. So look for the retest down here, and then a follow through back up to retest this 24 VWAP somewhere in here. If we can remain below that, the 2060, and we should get a push right back down into this zone, 2050, maybe even retest overnight lows at that 2046.75 area. So be cautious at that. I would expect that would be the low of the day, but if it happens to fight through that, then all the way down to 24 areas again. But then at this point here, look for a heavy bounce and go right back up into these zones to retest this 48, and then possibly right back up into 2053. It should be fun the next couple days. This is Frank at Trade Stalkers. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at tradestalkers.com. Have a great day.